nang ban pensuk bat pensung tho ye ki pat pa kum hagni kapor ba kejela bat keberthei baro kawai ki khun ye ka flam COVID-19 na kaliang ke Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital Shillong kala pelat ye kejaka selok online na kebenta ki nong pang ha kejela kebeletip kum ka telemedicine ha ka khat ar tarik mentau benai nai lar arjar arpoi ho office jong ka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital. La ban kedau hang ni baka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital Shillong kedi ke hospital ka baar ha kejela hadin ke Nigrims ban pentre kami ke telemedicine. Habakren kilat pathai kubon na kaliang ubat KW Marbanyang administration to officer jong ketika hospital u Dr. Meban Kharkungor ba Dr. Kenneth kilay tho ba ketika telemedicine kedi tang na kebenta ke jingpang ki ba malumala na kebenta ke jingpang ki bajur.
We are dealing with a pandemic where the other option is they just sit at home without treatment. So that is the other option, right? They don't get consultation. They don't see the doctor. The diabetic medications are not titrated. Patients with long-term medications, immunosuppressants are not getting treated. So that is the other option. So this, though it's not a perfect system, it will definitely help patients. There are people who are taking teleconsultation to Delhi, to Vellore. So it's just the application of the same system, so that we can do it at a local level as well. Katakan the whole point ba kanum dai ba yangiru ba in shukol ba kinong pango apsa konta marka do thia do dem ka thai jenjar ka por jongi ka bangi dai ban ais ka yeng ka sam ka kham ka e kana si phone ta doi kan dan ka appointment ke kumba dai te kata ka boning kong yang mentang kan dai back in town health.in isin ba kinala yang ta kan dan ka logo jong ka Roberts Hospital hadian nang tu pat kala play ba ya ka site ka ba ngi kumki consultants jong ka Roberts Hospital ngidan te hang ta kan bisa jet fi kwa ikendo doctor na medicine doctor na surgery na pediatric surgery developmental pediatrics baro kita kamot kindan hang tu ngamut kila ban book appointment ibu taru kat kum ka appointment kata kala ban change na kapor kala ban kala na kapor kat kum bejing laj jongi te kibri ru kintip lupai kata sisian ba pila lej hang ka to ka site kamut kandan pen pi ya itai doktor dan kata ka singi na kado kata kapor do kata por kalong ta.
We have roped in one agency, the service provider, that is the in-town solutions, and through that software we will be able to, they will, like for example Dr. Meban has said, suppose a patient now call the emergency service of this hospital, and from here they will link to that server. That server then will tell you that yes, you want whom you want to a doctor, what day, what do you want, no? So through that system they will arrange for that doctor, and during that particular time you will be able to contact and discuss whatever problem that you have with that concerned doctor which you want. The list of doctors and everything will be displayed in the system itself. So anything you want, you can always log in and then chat with the doctors and accordingly get whatever medical need you require. No, MHSS will not be in this case, because as I said in the beginning, we have only that mere consultation charges only, which is 300, 500 for the super specialist, like for instance. Otherwise it is like normal, and there's no package in this. It goes by the hospital rates only. Okay.
Kalau menta babun ki basitom in phone ke bang ilap mangiruk menta ki la phone ini ki layo ki number jungi nang no la phone. Dia kata ba kamlong ka bania. Mo te daka bale daka ni ko online consultation pan kinong panghi khamtam kitu bala juan sim dawai nang kini hospital kinyo ka jingirap ka kham pakashu shu namar ba nilapet lut ki record ki jongki mo nadu ki snam la lej na bon snam shakil adon lut ki record ki jongki ki shitom kumno ki di dawai kumno bat kumno ngi haban penkela ki dawai ki adjust ki dose ki dawai te kumi kini nongpang bala juan Minsha ban sumar shani hospital kan kham yo ka jing sumar kan kham bani ashushu namang lai ilu kini record te bat kum taru suki in sedang sa video conferencing lese te kan thai suki kata ngin nang pen bahan nang pen bani ashushu igni ki jing pen khre jongi but yamentahi kan long betang telephonic conversation mangekren daga phone but mangingin pek ye ki records but haju por ngin la ban ai ki dawai ngasai kata company ashushu shpangani ga ya kan ni kajing sedang jongi ngatai in saai kam bani asyik Dr. Meban kumno ngin le kumno ngin tho dawai ngatai ini Dr. Meban ngatai in saka ai kajing keren kam bani asyik sepang kata kalian